We have been in Barcelona for 1.5 months, and tonight we're gonna dine in a Malaysian restaurant. Today is also our 6th anniversary, so it is a special night today and dinner is on me. Welcome home to Malaysia.
Mama, ini tadi panas satu. We have a very excited diner.
How's the Nasi Lemak?
So far, okay.
Portion is quite huge. This is going to taste like a Malaysian one. So Shane is going to try. She's the real food critic.
I think it's not Penang standard, but for this Char Kuey Teow in Angmoland, it's considered good because you can taste the oil that they use, and a good taste of Char Kuey Teow is when it's good.
So my assessment is right. It's a good Char Kuey Teow here in España. Come back again. Hello. I'm sure you enjoy Malaysian food as well. That's the end of our little adventure of having Malaysian food here in Barcelona. If you like what you've just watched, you know what to do. We'll see you in the next one. Selamat malam.
Selamat malam.